completely remodeled and updated. This two-story home is best described as maintenance-free and convenient living all-in-one, and it is located in the heart of Sevierville. This home has brand new LVP flooring in kitchen/dining area and in all the bathrooms. This home has newer LVP flooring throughout the entire rest of the home, replaced in 2022. Brand new G stainless steel oven, brand new stainless steel oven vent, and brand new stainless steel matching dishwasher, just installed and never used. The existing stainless steel refrigerator is to remain as well. This home has a new garage door with 2 openers. All the home's window treatments/blinds are to remain. The entire home has just been newly painted. All the cabinets in this home have just been refinished throughout the entire home. Downstairs, take note that all concrete floors are also refinished. Newer heating and air unit and thermostat, replaced in 2021, remaining 5 years manufacturer warranty transfers to new owner/original owner. 10-year warranty does not transfer. Newer hot water heater replaced in 2018, front deck replaced in 2022 and just freshly stained, 2025. Leconte Medical Center, Covenant Health, and UT Medical Center are only 5 minutes away. Attractions like Dollywood, a variety of dinner shows, shopping, dining, and endless entertainment are literally at your doorstep. Home has a very large and deep 1-car garage along with extra space to side for plenty of storage. The washer and dryer hookups are in the basement. There is even a large downstairs room that has been finished for extra living space, or it could be used for your personal exercise and entertainment room. Grass cutting and garbage pickup are included in the very low and affordable HOA fee, $100 per month. The community does have a swimming pool/clubhouse, though it is not currently in use. The large and spacious deck on the front of this home is perfect for entertaining, and it has a gate to close off for kids or pets. There is even a sitting bench on the landing up to the front porch. Enter the front door into the large and spacious living area. The kitchen/dining area is just to the left. The tall, vaulted ceilings in the kitchen and living areas make the home feel very inviting and spacious. There is a hall bathroom shared by 2 bedrooms, which is also convenient for guests to use when visiting. This hall bathroom has a storage closet, hard surface countertops and a tub/shower unit. The master bedroom is in the back of the home, offering privacy and seclusion. The master bedroom has its own private bathroom with single vanity sink, hard surface countertops and a tub/shower unit. There is a large walk-in closet in the master bedroom. The 2 other bedrooms have ample storage closets which are nicely organized. This would make an excellent permanent residence, second home, or a great long-term rental property for investors. Short-term rental